Hey folks, welcome back to Penalty Box Woodshop, and today I'm going to show you how to make this drill press table. Now I made mine out of 3/4 inch plywood. Instead of using a metal T-track system, I used sliding dovetail grooves. Now I think it gives this table a lot more versatility and they're easier to install. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. To get this project started, I cut 2 pieces of 3/4 inch plywood from some leftover pieces that I had laying around my shop. If you're wanting to make this drill table for yourself, I'll put a detailed cutting list down in the description section below. The length and width of this table can be adjusted to fit whatever size drill press that you have in your shop. After cutting the plywood, I began to lay out some lines to show where I wanted to route the dovetail grooves for the clamping areas and the fence. For this shop project, I'll be using the Match Fit Dovetail Clamp Pro Kit from MICROJIG, the sponsor of today's video. The kit includes a variety of dovetail hardware, a setup gauge, a dovetail router bit, and my favorite, the dovetail clamps. I set up the router bit in my router table and began to route the dovetail grooves using my lines as a guide. Using a template, I marked a square off center to the left and up. This will be cut for a replaceable sacrificial piece. It's off center so that you can remove and turn the square for a fresh surface area 4 times before having to replace it. After the tabletop was laminated and trimmed, I used a Forstner bit to drill finger holes on all 4 corners of the center square. Once the tabletop was completed and attached, I constructed a simple fence. I routed a dovetail groove on the face of the fence to use for a stop block and for dovetail clamps if needed. I countersunk and pre-drilled holes for the screws and drilled holes in the bottom of the fence for the dovetail hardware that aligned with the grooves on the tabletop. Once your fence is completed, you can add a stop block for repeatable results and some dovetail clamps for safety, and this simple shop project is ready to go. Alright folks, that does it for us today. I appreciate you tuning in, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button if you want to be alerted to any new videos that I'm going to drop in the future. Also, leave me a comment down in the comment section if you have any questions. I'll be sure to get to all of them. There'll be affiliate links to all the tools and materials that I used during this video down in the description section below, as long as links to my website and all the other good stuff. So again, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next week.